Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by tuning to standard EJ and confirming pitch with a tuner. This guarantees the song sits right on your fretboard. Next, place your fingers on the simplified chord shapes. G, C, D, and M. These capture the song's harmony without bar chords. Use a medium tempo strum, down, down, up, because it reproduces the country groove. Once dialed in, play each chord for 4 counts to lock transitions, and focus on clean single note, ringing to hear the changes clearly. Now work the chord loop. G to M to C to D, moving slowly to keep your fretting hand relaxed. This is the backbone of both verse and chorus. Make sure to accent beats 2 and 4 to get that country pulse, and once comfortable, add light palm muting in the verse to create dynamics. Release into open strums for the chorus so it breathes. Practice hammer-ons on the M to emulate vocal inflection, and insert tidy 2-beat fills between chord changes to maintain momentum and musicality. To finish, play the final progression and hold the last G for 2 bars so it rings, then gently mute to stop. This creates a natural ending. Make sure to rehearse with a metronome so your timing stays steady. If you rush changes, slow the tempo and drill the hardest transitions. If you hear buzzing or dead notes, move your thumb behind the neck for better leverage and lift fingers just enough to clear adjacent strings. One troubleshooting tip: isolate the problem bar and loop it until it's clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.